A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. The other day, me did talk about how we have this judgmental spirit about we and how we love to judge things for how them look. But now we are going to talk about how we love to judge people. And the funny thing about it, is that none of we in a no position to judge nobody, because all of we are sinner. Yeah. And by the way, if you are being blessed by these readings, please like, comment, and share with somebody who needs this word. And of course, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what are going on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 8 from verse 1 to verse 11. But Jesus name go a film yard, him go up on Mount Olive. Early the nether morning, him go back at the yard where God house there. When he reached there, whole heap of people bungle around him and him sit down and start teach them. Now, the law teacher them and the Pharisee them carrying one woman where they catch her sleep with one man where no her husband. And they make her turn up in front of the crowd. Hear them to Jesus. Teacher, that woman ya get catch asleep with man where no her husband. In the law, Moses tell we say, we fi stone woman like this. So, where you say no? Them ask him that they, because they did want to trick him, so that they could have sitting to lock him up for. Jesus bend down and start right in at the ground with him finger. But when they keep on a push him for answer them, him turn up straight and say to them, say, anyone of uno we never seen yet, fling the first stone off her. Then him bend down one next time and start right in at the ground. When they hear what Jesus say, they left go away, one after the other. The oldest one them go away first, and then go on left till Jesus one they turn up there with the woman. Jesus get up and said to her, say, lady, where them there? Nobody never say if you dead, sick away you do. No even a soul, sir, she say. Then, me not go say if you dead, sick away you do neither. Jesus said to her, go on now, and no sin no more. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.